Omicron, the latest virus of concern or VOC, has now reached India and 5 cases so far has been identified till now. 2 in Karnataka, 1 each in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and today a new cases has been reported in the national capital, that is Delhi. While till now all the patients have been showing mild symptoms, but as this variant is said to be heavily mutated and highly transmissible, people are advised to follow all the time-tested precautions and not delay testing in case of symptoms. Timely detection of this variant is essential to curb its spread. Do not neglect any symptoms like cough, scratchy throat, unusual tiredness, and immediately consult the doctor if you have any of the symptoms. The current RT-PCR test does not specify which variant has been identified. However, the PCR kit manufacturers are working on this issue and more information will be out once the manufacturers publish their results. There is also a fear that the existing vaccines may not work against the Omicron variant, as a huge number of mutations have been observed on the spike receptor binding domain site of the new variant, and there is a possibility that few of the vaccines may be ineffective against this variant. But there is not enough data to prove this claim. Currently, the European region is the epicenter of the pandemic. Recently, the region have seen over 2/3 of global cases and deaths. Cases and deaths have doubled in Europe over the last 2 months, and this is putting quite a bit pressure on other countries, especially in a country like India with a huge population. More the virus circulates, the more opportunity the virus has to mutate. The Delta and Omicron variants are good examples of this. Thus, it is essential that we all stop the circulation of the virus at its source. There is a range of proven measures that we should continue taking to protect ourselves against COVID-19 and all its variants. As per WHO new guideline of Omicron variant, those are: number 1, getting vaccinated. A new study estimates that 8,70,000 lives has been saved among those aged 45 to 60 years since the start of COVID-19 vaccination rollout in 33 countries across the world. Vaccinations also reduce virus circulation and reduces the chances for new mutation that could hit us harder. We need more people to be vaccinated everywhere. Combining vaccination with other protective measures to reduce the risk of the virus are: number 1, wearing a well-fitting mask. Number 2, regularly cleaning hands with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Number 3, maintaining physical distance of at least 1 meter. Number 4, improving ventilation of your indoor spaces, office, or the place where you stay most of the time. Number 5, avoiding crowded, confined, and closed settings. In addition, as we are in the verge of winter, we all have to be very careful to protect us and our loved ones. Always remember, your safety, your life is in your hand. Stay safe, follow COVID appropriate behavior, and share this YouTube video to your loved ones to create awareness. Take care.